in films at a time when the entire paraphernalia around actors wasn't there, in the sense of a publicist, a makeup
Absolutely.
van, vanity van. You acted under, if today's actors would call, a trying
Yes.
circumstances in
Every
those
day
things.
of our lives.
Yeah, outdoors and stuff like
Yeah.
that. And now you are acting where you have all this with you. Does it take away from the acting, or do you think that it's good to have
It's
all
good.
this?
It's good. It's good to be
Okay.
comfortable.
Huh.
Because when we were working initially, there were no vans, there was
Huh.
no vanity van. We used to just sit outside wherever we're shooting, just take a chata and sit there, whether it's rain, sunshine, whatever. If it starts raining, you just run into the car and sit in the car till the rain stops. And so
It sounds so primitive now, no?
yeah, it does. But we worked like that, and I think it was good. It was a good learning. It was good lesson because it keeps you grounded. It keeps you, real.
Huh.
And but today you have so many amenities, and you have these vans, and you're like treated
Does the
well. You're
quality
pampered.
improve of the film because of all these
No.
things?
Yeah, but what I feel is, films were made then also, and lovely films with,
Huh.
amazing films were made, even in those circumstances. Even today, like we have all our scripts, ready. We know exactly our dialogues. We know what we're going to wear, to how we are going to be dressed, to where we are shooting. Everything is,
Is there in front of you.
there in front of you.
But
like
that
the whole
takes away
map.
the mystery, no? To some extent?
No, I think it helps an actor to prepare.
Okay.
You can prepare better than what we used to. At that time, I think we had to rely a lot on spontaneity. So everything was like spontaneous. Even the dialogues. Sometimes we didn't have to have the dialogues. We were sitting ready on the set. The actor,
And also waiting,
the
no?
writer used to be writing the dialogues and then give it to us. We had to mug them right there and then, and
Oh,
just
geez.
do the scene. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, we've done.
But also waiting. I've heard that women actors had to wait for long hours for the hero to come on the set. I mean, you, of course, were the big star, but
Well,
otherwise...
no. But I'll tell you, I worked with actors who were on time, like Anil Ji, always on time.
But I mean,
Most of them used
Govinda
to
used to be
always.
late always.
Well, I've just done 2 films with him. Just 2.
Because everybody
So
has
I
a
cannot
Govinda late
complain.
story. Or Rajesh Khanna before that. These were legendary actors who people say कि 10-12 घंटे you have to wait कि वो काका जी आएंगे.
That must have been tough.
Yeah,
That must have
in
been
those.
tough.
And
But
also-
no, I mean, we were doing like 2 shifts.
Yeah.
3 shifts sometimes. So late hona, ye hona, wo hona, matlab, we were just going from studio to studio to studio,
There's one interview of Sridevi where I heard her saying that she was acting in Ooty with several dance moves, sequences, and she says there was ek dance, फिर दूसरा dance, तीसरा dance, and she says I didn't know. She says because half today, half next day. She says it's only with the wig of the actor that I knew ki kaun hai.
किसके साथ काम करना है?
किसके साथ काम- to make it, because there were so many shifts that you guys were doing.
Yes, we're doing multiple shifts and
Amazing.
working like crazy hours. Like even for Tezab, like the song Ek Do Teen, we shot the whole day, the whole night, and we finished at 10:30 in the morning.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
because it
something-
was the last day, set tootna hai. And literally while we were shooting, the set had started breaking on the left, everything was breaking like this.
So to
till
come
we
back to
finished.
that effortless bit, there's a lot of effort.
Yes, there's a lot of effort behind that.